the specific weight?
Specific weight is a ratio between fluid weight to the volume of fluid.
Fluid weight,
Volume of fluid.
volume of the fluid. Okay. So the specific weight which can be differ between the specific weight of the particular fluid. Yes. W. Yes. So W, small w is nothing but capital W divided by volume. So that's the we just want to do. Okay. Sit down for very good. So the weight of the fluid, overall fluid. What are the types of fluid which can be taken now? In that particular fluid weight which can be considered over here. So this is nothing but this weight. Here we just want to represent in the capital letter W. Okay. So the capital W is nothing but mass in the acceleration due to gravity. Very good. And divided by same volume. So how much amount of volume which can be taking place in a specific single particles. Okay. Here this is the mass density. We already seen that one. How much volume which can be occupied in the certain fluid? How much volume? Overall volume. So that's why mass per unit volume. But here specific weight means what? We just taken any one particles, any one molecules. Okay, we are taking in a single molecule. Okay, they are occupied in a overall that volume which is taken in the certain container now. In that overall, there are lakhs and lakhs of molecules which can be joined together to form a one fluid. Am I right? So it's an everything will be like that only. So here in that we just taking any one molecules. In that particular molecules, how much amount of volume which can be taken place. So it will be known as specific weight of the particular liquid. Okay. So that's why we are taking W. Okay. W divided by V. Volume. Here V is the represent volume. M is the mass. So capital W is nothing but mass in the acceleration due to gravity. Here we have already know that now. What is the M by V?
Mass density is rho.
Yes. So mass is the density. Am I right? So this is the density notation. I already know the rho. So that's why the formula it will be changed what? Rho into acceleration due to gravity. Okay, this is a simple formula. So by using this formula, we just want to solve the problems. Okay. So next, what is the next topic?
Specific volume.
Specific volume. So if anyone of you tell me what is the specific volume? We are using different types of notation here. Okay. So here we are using V dash. What is the V dash for? Anyone of you? Specific volume.
Volume of the fluid by mass of the fluid.
Yes, very good. So we already know that mass per unit volume will be known as what? Mass density. Rho, which is nothing but mass per unit volume of the certain fluid. Yes. But here the same thing, it will be vice versa. So specific volume is what? Volume per unit mass. Okay, so that's why it will be told that volume per unit mass of the certain fluid. Okay, so here we are using that. What is the unit of this mass density?
kg per meter.
So kilogram per meter cube. Yes, but here this is the vice versa. No? So V by M. So here this is V, which is nothing but what? Volume divided by mass. Okay, so here meter cube divided by kilogram. So that's the simple formula. Okay, so after that, what is the next topic? So we have already seen the
Specific gravity.
Specific gravity. So what is the notation we are using for?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Capital S. So what is the specific gravity for? Anyone of you?
Density of liquid.
Yeah.
Density of water.
Very good. Very good. So weight or specific weight. Okay. Weight or is another thing we are representing what? Specific weight of the liquid, given liquid, okay? Specific weight of the given liquid and specific weight of water. Water is nothing but what? Standardized liquid. Standardized like this. So another thing we just want to taking that in respect to specific way we can represent here, but also we are taking in the point of density also. Okay, that's why we already told that what density of fluid divided by density of water. Okay, so we can take like that also. Okay, density of liquid divided by density of water. We can use that formula also. Okay, there are various types of notations we are using here, particularly in properties of fluid. Okay, so this is a specific gravity. Okay, so we have already seen that these four things are very, very important. So based upon these fluid property, we are going to solve many problems. Okay, understand?